7 areas of learning and development in early years foundation stage. Early childhood is one of the most important stages in a child's life. It is during these early years that children build the foundation for their future learning, behavior, and development. In this video, we will explore the EYFS Areas of Development, which guide how children learn and grow from birth to 5 years old. There are 7 areas of development, and they are divided into 2 groups, the prime areas and the specific areas. Let's explore them in a simple and clear way. The prime areas focus on essential skills that children need to begin learning. These include communication and language, physical development and personal, social and emotional development. The specific areas build on these skills and include literacy, mathematics, understanding the world, and expressive arts and design. The first area is communication and language. This area helps children learn to listen, understand, and express their thoughts clearly through speaking and interaction. It builds strong communication skills that support all other areas of learning. Some activities that support this area include storytelling, reading books, singing songs, and engaging children in simple conversations or show and tell activities. The second area is physical development. This focuses on developing movement, coordination, and control. Children build both gross motor skills like running and jumping, and fine motor skills like drawing and writing. Activities such as outdoor play, running, climbing, drawing, coloring, and playing with blocks help strengthen these physical skills. The third area is personal, social, and emotional development. This area helps children understand their feelings, build relationships, and develop confidence and independence. Children develop these skills through group play, sharing and turn-taking games, role play, and talking about their emotions. The next area is literacy. Children begin to develop reading and writing skills by learning letters, sounds, and simple words. Activities like reading storybooks, phonics games, letter recognition, and tracing letters support literacy development. The fifth area is mathematics. Children learn about numbers, counting, shapes, and simple problem solving through fun and engaging activities. Examples include counting objects, sorting shapes and colors, solving simple puzzles, and playing number games. The sixth area is understanding the world. Children explore their surroundings, learn about nature, people, and different cultures, and begin to understand how things work. Activities include exploring nature, learning about animals, using simple technology, and talking about family and cultural traditions. The final area is expressive arts and design. This encourages children to express themselves creatively through art, music, dance, and imaginative play. Activities such as painting, singing, dancing, crafting, and role play help develop creativity and imagination. All these areas work together to support a child's overall growth and development, building strong foundations for lifelong learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more simple and educational videos.